Hi, today we are going to talk about Kajabi. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform designed for creators to monetize their expertise through online courses, coaching programs, and memberships. With user-friendly tools, extensive support, and a focus on community building, Kajabi empowers individuals to grow their businesses while retaining full ownership of their content and revenue. Now, let's take a look at some of its top features. Online course creation. Kajabi empowers users to create and sell online courses efficiently, offering customizable templates and intuitive design tools. This enables creators to transform their knowledge into polished courses quickly. The platform supports various content types, including audio, video, and quizzes, ensuring an engaging learning experience. With integrated payment options like Stripe and PayPal, users retain all profits without any cuts from Kajabi. Coaching made easy. Kajabi simplifies the process of establishing a coaching business by providing built-in tools for creating packages, processing payments, and scheduling meetings. Users can manage all aspects of their coaching services from a single platform, enhancing efficiency and client interaction. Additionally, Kajabi allows coaches to keep 100% of their earnings, promoting profitability without hidden fees. Community engagement. The platform facilitates community building through features like live video sessions and interactive comments. This fosters a collaborative environment where members can engage with each other and the coach. By linking courses to community products, Kajabi enhances members' experience and retention, making it easier for creators to maintain ongoing relationships with their audience. Automated marketing funnels. Kajabi's marketing funnels automate the sales process, allowing users to optimize their marketing strategies effortlessly. With customizable templates for landing pages and email campaigns, creators can effectively attract and convert leads into customers. This automation not only saves time but also enhances the overall marketing efficiency of users' businesses. AI-powered tools. Kajabi harnesses artificial intelligence to streamline course creation and enhance user experience. The AI Content Assistant helps generate courses outlines based on provided titles and descriptions, making it easier for creators to structure their content. This feature not only speeds up the development process but also ensures that courses are well organized and engaging for learners. While Kajabi offers numerous advantages, there are some potential drawbacks to consider. Here are 3 key limitations that users may encounter. Pricing structure. Kajabi's pricing can be a significant barrier for newcomers as its plans may be higher than other platforms. This cost might deter aspiring creators who are just starting or have limited budgets, making it less accessible for everyone. Learning curve. Despite its user-friendly interface, Kajabi can present a learning curve for those unfamiliar with online course creation. New users may require time to familiarize themselves with the platform's features and tools, potentially delaying their launch and initial progress. Limited customization. While Kajabi offers templates and design options, some users may find the customization capabilities restrictive. This limitation can hinder those seeking a unique brand identity or specific functionality, leading to frustration for creators wanting more control over their course presentation. In conclusion, Kajabi is a powerful platform for creators looking to monetize their expertise through online courses and coaching. While it offers valuable features, potential users should weigh the pricing, learning curve, and customization limitations against their specific needs and goals. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.